It seems like most headlines these days include the word AI somewhere in them. It comes as no surprise then that AI has found itself into the $2.6 trillion car industry. From the design stage to the testing stage of production, you can be pretty certain that AI has played an influence. Toyota in particular has been using AI during the design phase of production. AI is particularly beneficial during this phase as it prevents compromises being made. A lot of the time the aerodynamics may hamper other areas of the car's design, such as the practicality, but by using the AI, the algorithm can produce car designs that provide an ideal combination of practicality, safety, and aerodynamic efficiency, as well as much more. These AI tools are actually really simple for the designers to use as well, because they use a text-to-image generative AI. It's very similar to that of what you'll find on those free AI art generator websites, because all the designers need to do is use keywords such as sleek, SUV-like, and modern to design the car. In fact, I gave one of these free AI art generators a go, and the actual car it designed I was very impressed by. Toyota does point out though that on their press site that the AI is not able to handle the complex engineering and the safety considerations, but Toyota does compliment the AI's ability to provide inspiration. AI is very much in its early stages though, so there's no reason why it won't become more capable and more advanced. Where AI integration is often forgotten is in autonomous driving features. Tesla is often recognised for its autonomous driving features, despite Elon Musk's concerns over AI technology.
I try to convince people to slow down AI, to regulate AI. This was futile.
What allows a car to distinguish a human from another car is image recognition. This involves the AI looking through lots of images, and clearly the more images the AI looks at, the more accurate the AI will become at recognising those objects. This is called machine learning, when the AI automatically becomes more intelligent over time because it's just learning. There's one more component to self-autonomous cars, and that's called neural networks. And in simple terms, it's where the AI operates in a similar way to the human brain. It means the AI can learn from its mistakes and continuously improve. Clearly there is more to it, and for that I'd recommend going on the Amazon website, where they actually quite well explain these complex AI underpinnings. Anyway, all of those comfort features, from adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, rely on AI technologies to operate, and there's still a long way to go from that. As of now, only Mercedes-Benz has achieved level 3 autonomy, and that's where the car can perform all functions. However, the driver does still need to be ready to take control of the car at this level of autonomy. Where you might not expect AI to be getting involved is with the design of hypercars. Californian-based Singer, I think it's pronounced, developed the 21C, which is able to produce 2,000 kilograms of downforce at 190 miles an hour. To achieve these figures, an AI-based design software was used which optimises each part of the car for maximum performance. Strong constraints are put in for the AI, such as the weight of the components, the size, the strength, as well as the mounting points for the components. The overall results from the AI are very, very complex and include innovative new designs, such as a bubble-shaped cockpit, as you'll find on the 21C they produced. In fact, these designs are so complex it would be impossible for regular machines to produce them, which is why they have to be 3D printed. But surprisingly, 3D printing them is actually cheaper than having a conventional production setup. And it does show you just how much future the AI design components are. And I don't think it'll be too long until mainstream manufacturers start implementing these strategies as well.